You must have heard of this UN recognition. दीपावली, लॉर्ड राम, इसका मजाक उड़ाते हैं आप लोग हर रोज. अब ये भी बोल दीजिए कि वहां आरएसएस ने करवा दिया है.
Pranesh, state is ultimately responsible for the law and order. If state feels that there will be a law and order problem, they can definitely stop it. And court cannot force them. It has gone now to the Supreme Court. Let the Supreme Court take a view on this. Well, let's not create a communal.
No, 1 minute. Lighting the diya will. Lighting the diya. No, 1 minute, Ravi Srivastava ji. उसको इतना कॉम्प्लिकेट क्यों कर रहे हैं? Say it as you think it is. That lighting the diya at that temple will create communal tension. Dr. Muni, your views on this?
See, Pranesh, I have two views. There are two grave concerns here. One is the increasing tendency of the courts to interfere in ecclesiastical matters, in matters of religion, in matters of theology. I think the problem arose some decades ago when the Honorable Supreme Court gave a judgment that executive should take part in religious matters, and then judiciary also followed. But I think that judiciary should keep a distance from matters of theology, matter of religion.
Rahul Gandhi will dispense justice. The judges should just, they should just back off. Because Jan Nayak Rahul Gandhi will give justice to people. Okay? Increasing tendency to interfere. These words will haunt you. Selam Dharnidharan. Sanatan has been termed as leprosy and whatnot by your leaders. The DMK has been on a slander spree about Sanatan. The UNESCO doesn't think that Sanatan or Deepavali, Lord Ram, are a threat to peace.
See, I think, let me speak, I understood your question. The whole debate is about, is the impeachment on a justice right or wrong? The point here is that the just is not about the Deepam, the matter has to be decoupled. That's a separate matter, separate debate you have, I'll come and speak for us. But here we have few minutes. Why should the judge be impeached? Simply because he's been partial. Why do you think he's been partial? Because he has been sitting regularly with the BJP ideologues, RSS ideologues, and making comments against a different ideology. That is my ideology. Is it right? He has been on the bench and made a remark, non-Brahmins are not fit to be priests. 95% of the Hindus in Tamil Nadu are non-Brahmins. Is it fair to make? Can he discriminate like that? This is just two examples, but I can give you 20 anecdotes. Paucity of time, I'm not saying it. Is it fair for any judge to showcase that he is partial? Okay. Right, judicial activism is different.
Wonderful.
But here
Mr. Dharnidharan, now answer my question. Forget the judge for a minute. Let's talk about your member of parliament, Mr. Raja. Is it fair for any leader, forget MP, is it fair, Mr. Dharnidharan, for any leader to say that one faith is hateful, that it is like disease? Tell me.
The point has been made very clear that 90% of people in Tamil Nadu are Hindus, and these are the Hindus been voting for the DMK. Hindus are the DMK. Why? Because we want equality within the Hindu religion, and the equality to an extent now exists in
so you will you will ensure equality.
Is what we
this is your equality in Hinduism project by abusing Sanatan. Shahzad.
First of all, A. Raja had also called Hinduism, not just Sanatan, as AIDS. This is their legacy. On the one hand, you can see that the world is celebrating Sanatan legacy by including Deepavali in the UNESCO Heritage Project. But on the other hand, look at the manner in which these traditional Sanatan betas are behaving, where even a temple diya cannot be lit. And this is after the court has given the go-ahead. It's not just the single judge, by the way. The single judge's order was upheld by the division bench. Then now it has gone to Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court has not stayed it. No interim relief has been granted. So this is not an issue just of anti-Sanatan mindset. It is also an issue of anti-Samvidhan mindset. You remember when Deepak Mishra was the Chief Justice, they brought an impeachment motion against him, and he was associated with the Ram Mandir case. Routinely, they want committed judiciary. And by the way, the grounds for removal of a judge, it's not called impeachment in India. Impeachment is only for certain constitutional posts. The grounds for a removal of judge is not impartiality or partiality. It is only proven misconduct, and it is incapacity.
But in their minds, they have proven the misconduct.
No. If they have a problem with a particular judgment, the way to redress that is an appeal. So, but last point, you know what was most disturbing? And today, your guest coordinator has made a big lapse. Today, you should have called Uddhav Sena spokesperson. Uddhav Sena has signed this. The same Uddhav Sena who fought for once Ram Mandir and Babri ko girane ka wo claim karte the, today one person has put a diya and the entire judge is being taken out for that, and Uddhav Sena has signed this document. So Uddhav Sena has undergone a political conversion.
वो तो जब वो आएंगे स्पोक्स पर्सन उनके तब हम पूछेंगे. बट करण,
No, Pranesh, to begin with, what sort of an inept and emasculated DMK government is there in Tamil Nadu if they cannot provide law and order there? I mean, they want to control the Hindu temples, 36,000 temples under state control, 10,000 of them do not even have the money to do a ritual, a daily ritual, as per an affidavit put in the court by the Madras government, and they can't even provide law and order there. I mean, shame on this government. And you know, Pranesh, on 3rd June 2022, a similar lighting ceremony, which was reminded of back in 1973, which E.V. Ramaswamy had abused and hurled the choicest abuses. It was their spokesperson, R. Rajiv Gandhi, on 3rd June 2022, who said that yes, we should have attacked and killed the Brahmins. He openly called for a genocide. At that time when it was raised in the courts, Justice Joseph smiled and said, have you not heard of Periyar? For the first time today, a judge showed the temerity, dug his heels in and did something, and look how they want to impeach. And Akashdeep Muni has the guts to say judiciary should stay out. When the judge said Nupur's tongue has set the country on fire, why was he quiet then?
Increasing tendency to interfere. Increasing tendency to interfere. I'll come to you, Dr. Muni.